So obviously what we've got here is the panel. This panel would be unique to each side of the vehicle. So as far as hardware goes, what we'll have in a production part is we'll press hardware into these 5 mounting points here. Just for the sake of a quick prototype, I'm just gonna use some nuts on the backside, along with 1/4-20 button head fasteners on the front. Each of these holes is gonna line up with a slot in the panel, so it's all gonna look really nice and sleek. So basically I'm gonna hold it up on the front here just to kind of eyeball it. I left this panel loose, so I'm gonna back these out even further so I can pull it away from the bed. So you guys obviously will not have to fish a nut back here with production parts because we'll have pressed in hardware like we usually do. Perfect. So things are lining up nicely. I've got things pretty straight. I'm gonna go ahead and cinch down the bridge panel before I tighten up these fasteners on the rear panel. All right, 5 fasteners, that's easy. It fits really nicely. We clear these ribs here by about 1/4 of an inch, which is just enough to use a MOLLE nut. Check out the link in the description. If you have questions, comments, feedback, find us in the comments, give us a call, shoot us an email. Catch you next time.